Have you ever wondered how electricity travels from a power plant all the way to your home, instantly lighting up your room when you flip a switch? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how electricity reaches your house in the simplest way possible. Welcome to PowerTech Simplified, the channel where we explain electricity, electronics, and technology in simple ways. If you want to understand how the world of power works, make sure to subscribe. Everything starts at a power plant. Electricity is generated using energy sources like water from dams, coal, natural gas, wind, or solar energy. Inside the plant, huge generators convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. But this electricity is not ready to reach your home just yet. To send electricity over long distances efficiently, the voltage needs to be increased using a step-up transformer. High voltage reduces energy loss during transmission, allowing electricity to travel hundreds of kilometers. After the voltage is increased, electricity travels through high voltage transmission lines. These are the tall towers and cables you see along highways or open fields. This allows electricity to move efficiently across long distances. When electricity reaches a city, it goes through a substation. Here, transformers reduce the voltage so it can be safely distributed to neighborhoods. From the substation, electricity flows through smaller distribution lines to neighborhoods. These are the power lines you usually see on streets and residential areas. The voltage is still too high for your home appliances. Before electricity enters your home, it passes through a pole transformer or ground transformer, which reduces the voltage to a safe level your home can use. Finally, electricity enters your home through the service line. It first passes through your electric meter, which records usage, and then to the breaker panel, which safely distributes electricity to lights, outlets, and appliances. Let's quickly recap. 1. Electricity is generated at the power plant. 2. Step-up transformer increases voltage. 3. Transmission lines carry electricity far distances. 4. Substations reduce voltage. 5. Distribution lines carry electricity to neighborhoods. 6. Pole transformer reduces voltage. Again, 7. Electricity enters your home safely. And that's how electricity travels from a power plant all the way to your home. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from PowerTech Simplified.